Hey everyone, I'm Lance Ramos from BSIT3 Y1-2 and I'm here to explain the Laboratory 1 Problem 4. So first is magde-define muna tayo ng function which is the check temperature. And tatanggap lang to ng isang value na tinatawag na temp. Next is gagamit tayo ng conditional statement where we will use the less than operator. So dito, kung ang temperature daw ay less than 20, it will return cold. Next is we will be using elif as a condition statement, and the less than or the equal operator na kung saan if the temperature is less than or equal to 30, it will return warm. And lastly, if hindi naman na-meet yung dalawang condition na nauna, ibig sabihin ay mahigit sa 30 yung temperature natin, which will return hot. So, dito naman sa next part is sisimulan natin ng for loop. So, para umulit ng 5 beses yung mga linya sa ilalim nito is so yung variable daw na I ay magiging 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 sa bawat pag-ikot nito. So, dito naman hihingin naman natin dito yung temperature ng 5 beses. So, um, dito niya mauulit ng 5 beses yung paghingi ng input. So, kaya tayo may float is para maging decimal yung value natin na i-input. So, dito is ipiprint lang natin yung temperature